Industrial blades. They are the unseen edge powering modern industry. Every day, industrial blades shape the products we use, from food processing to packaging, paper, plastics, textiles, metalwork, and recycling. But the perfect cut isn't as simple as grabbing any blade. Each material behaves differently, and choosing the right blade improves productivity, reduces waste, and extends machine life. That's where Tacle Electrical and Machinery comes in. This is Industrial Blades by Tacle Electrical and Machinery. Today, we're looking at 5 common industrial blade types and where they shine. First, slitting blades. Built for cutting large rolls of material into precise widths, widely used in paper, plastic film, foil, rubber, and textiles. Next, circular blades, engineered for high-speed slicing, delivering clean, gentle cuts across bread, deli meats, cheese, boneless meat and poultry, fish, and seafood. Then, chopper blades, engineered for high-speed bowl chopper and cutter machines, delivering precise cuts and smooth emulsification across sausage, minced meat, meatball, and poultry processing. Fourth, precision grid dicer blades, built for high-volume dicing lines, delivering clean, uniform cube cuts across potatoes, vegetables, meat, and poultry. And fifth, vegetable processing blades, engineered for industrial vegetable lines, cutting cucumbers, cabbage, carrots, potatoes, and leafy greens with precision and durability. These are just some of the many blade solutions Tacle Electrical and Machinery offers. Subscribe and follow along as we go deeper into each blade type in the coming weeks. Tacle Electrical and Machinery, precision that powers industry.